Hello and welcome, guys, to the next episode of Alpha Simulation. I'm really in a tight spot at the moment because I'm absolutely submerged by parts that arrive from all over the world, including New Zealand. As you can see from on my back, I'm now in the process of building the assembly, actually the projector screen. It came all the way from New Zealand. The company I purchased from is Simpit. They make some of the best screen for flight simulation. You can buy the 180 degrees, the 220, the 270 also. And you can also buy the smaller version, for example, for a Cessna or a Piper, or the medium version, for example, for a Boeing 737 or an Airbus 320. They also have the biggest version, which is for example, for a 777. I bought the middle version, which is the 3.9 meters diameter, and this will allow me 220 degrees field of view for my simulator. I'm gonna check now. I'm gonna show you exactly how it looks and what the progress I make. So just a little bit, as you can see here, we got parts all over, scattered all over the floor of my 737. Now, they didn't come originally with an instruction, so I really struggled to understand how everything is assembled together. But with a little bit of help from Tom, he works Simpit, I believe that's his company. He was very helpful. He provides video instructions. Inside here, I didn't open fully, but because I didn't want to damage there is the big screen. This will be the last part I'm gonna assemble. Anyway, the idea is you're gonna build, as you can see here, it's 6 of them. They're quite solid, but obviously a lot of structure will be given when you put a screen on. So you have there will be a part that's connected here, and it will go around, and the other part will be connected here, and those are those boys over there. It will I'm struggling to move around my area, so this will go all around, and the total will be 3.9 meters field of view. I still need to find a way to make space for it. Obviously the simulator in the middle. So I just built the first one. There are 5 more to go, and then the screen will be between the bottom part there and the top part. So that's how the screen, and obviously you can move this up, and you can also move that part up depending where you're gonna position your screen. On top of that, I also purchased the automatic calibration software. It's a software that will allow the 3 projectors to warp the interim image into one, and you can also opt for the auto calibration, so you don't have to work too much on the controls and all the indication. I just want to make sure that it's gonna be easier as possible. Calibration and the warping is usually one of the area where all the flight simmers struggle with, so I want to make sure that I don't have too much problem, because to be honest, this has not been easy so far. I mean, the floor, I had a couple of problems and I fixed them. Everything else also, the instructions were a little bit confused in the beginning, so it took me days to understand how everything fit together. As you can see, you have parts absolutely everywhere. You have screws. It's not your simple IKEA kit, let's put it that way. Anyway, I'm gonna continue building the rest, and once the projector is all mounted, we're gonna touch base again, and then hopefully my software will be easy to install. Thank you, until the next. Alright, this is another update of how everything is going with the construction of my projector screen. As you can see around, if you can show around, the structure is there. We are continuing very fast, but I've been having a lot of setbacks since the start. There is a missing screw, the holes are very quite tight, the tolerance I think is too perfect, so I have to enlarge the holes a little bit. It was too tight to put them together. Anyway, it's getting close. Now I want to show you something important. So this is the projector that I select for my projection system, actually 3 of them. It's Optoma, I think D51. It's not the latest model, but it's one of the latest, and it's 4K projector. I bought 3 exactly the same, 3 of them, and the idea is that they will be installed upside down like this, one center, one this way and one the other way, and then I will connect everything and do all the warping for the screen setup. Another one setback that I found out, this part of my system, this will be basically this will be connected to the metal frame, which goes among the pole, and then it will hold the Optoma. But this, I want to show something, because just to show you sometimes when you do this, it doesn't always come perfect. There are already some holes already pre-made, which apparently they were supposed to be the holes for the Optoma, as you can see here. However, my Optoma have a different size holes, so I had to recreate 3 different holes. And now by doing that, I can put this, basically this one goes this way, this here. I will use some screw with washer, and I can finally connect the 2. Then this one will be going on top, and I can obviously put this one on the metal frame. This is what's happening when you build stuff, but I finished one, I'm gonna do the second one, then the third one, and then finally I can put the frame, metal frame, and this is gonna become very close to the end of this projection system. It's taking me actually weeks. The final part will be to this frame actually put it also here along, and then we can adjust the height of this, maybe here, and then put the screen. I have the screen over there. I don't know how high it needs to go, but all the screen will go around 220 degrees field of view, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. So I'll give you an update as soon as I finish the rest of the system, so you see how it looks like. Thank you. Okay guys, hello, a new update from Halpa Simulation. As you can see, I'm with a jacket. It's very cold. We are in December at the moment when I'm shooting this video. I just want to show you the progress I'm doing with the projector system. It's been one of the most difficult in terms of time consuming, in terms of figure out everything, the space, the angle and everything like that. So I'll show you exactly where we are at the moment, and here we are. We have the screen all connected and up. This is you can see the shape, it's obviously curved, will provide me 220 field of view degrees, and it's a beautiful special paint dark color. This will make the projectors projected the software, the simulator much better. The color will be much brighter and so forth. Obviously the lights will be off when I will fly with my simulator once it's ready, hopefully soon, guys. Now, if you remember the last time I was describing how this 2-column will hold the projectors. The projectors are here, Optoma UHD 51. I decided to change. I decided to change the methodology, how I'm gonna fit the projector on top, because the idea was to put the projector there, and there was this heavy, bulky system made of wood. I didn't like it. It was not providing me too much movement. It was very bulky. It was making the projector very low. So I didn't like it. So what I've done, I changed idea and I went and look on Amazon. So what I found on Amazon, I found this type of connectors for ceiling projector connector, as you call it. Sorry, the words are not coming up at the moment. I'm a little bit tired. But anyway, so this is gonna be connected on the projector. So you have this type of, you can put a screw as you want. So you don't have to mess around with holes and anything. This will provide most of the model's size and it will fit comfortably. And then this one goes connected on the ceiling, and obviously you put this here. Okay, should go quite easy. It's not during the moment. I think I need to enlarge this. But anyway, the idea is that this system will provide 360-degree turnaround if I need. It will provide 90 degrees if I need, and it will also provide 25 degrees plus or minus to throw the beam towards the screen. So this is much better. Also, it will not take too much space. So this one you put on the ceiling, it is not too low really, and put on the ceiling I think is also more stable. Before my projectors are like 5 kilograms each. I have 3 and 12, 15 kilograms hold by this beam, even if it's aluminium. But I don't know, I felt the whole system was a little bit not. Yeah, there was something. My background is engineer, and there was something inside me saying this is not proper, so I want to do it properly. Also, because it provides me 25 plus or minus degrees, 90 degrees, 360 degrees, I have so much choice in making sure that the projectors really focus on the screen and not like 1 degree left or right, and I need to calibrate again and so forth. So that's all for now. Next is to calculate the distance where the projector is going to be. I need to make sure that it covers the top and bottom parts. Obviously there are 3 projectors, one here, one there, covering the 220 degrees, and then I need to start warping the 3 into one image. I'm gonna work on that during the next few days. Hopefully within a week I can show you how that looks like. I hope, because I've been having a lot of problems setting up this. It's very difficult, very heavy, it's very delicate, the screen, and you gotta make sure that doesn't scratch or anything. So thank you Valerio, my brother, he helped me a lot to put this all together. So anyway, I'll see you later on with another update. Thank you.